Hey guys, it's me Cody here, and today I'm going to be playing some. Wait, look at. Oh, I'm reading. Hey guys, it's me Cody, and today we're going to be playing Work After Pizza Place. Sorry, that intro was wrong before. And in the last video, when I was doing it, my dad came in and broke my headset. Luckily enough, I fixed it. And actually, I'm really angry with my dad. Yeah, I punched him, I kicked him. I was like a ninja. Well, yeah, now we're learning to game. And guys, I think Jack behind me is going to be live streaming in a minute on my PlayStation. So yeah, we're all busy. Guys, 2 seconds, please. I had a problem. Oh shoot! I don't get these D2s. Double turn. Here goes. Good. Where does this work? If you'll safety 1 second, please. Let me turn this down to remind me. The best you. Who is serving? See. Yeah, guys, soon I'm gonna try and be getting Fortnite onto my computer. And like, bro, yeah. Yeah, so it's gonna be good. I'm gonna go do some. Yeah. Jack, the boss is out of his office, and this guy's just gone into his office and just stole the chair. So he's manager. I bet the old manager's lit. Look at him! Oh, he walked out. Manager walked out. I was like, bro, I could get it. I'm gonna vote to remove this guy because I don't use it. Look at all this, bro. Can't have that. But you can't have graffiti all over there because here's the manager. That's the manager. That's the real manager, is it? Oh my god. Everyone's running me over. I'm gonna leave place for that too. So guys. Oh, I don't press profile. Hello, mate. Hello, I'm here. Thank you. No. Oh, nice. Yeah. What? What? You can't delete it. play Fortnite, but don't delete it. No, don't delete it. Why don't you delete my game on my profile? What, Fortnite? Okay guys, I forgot that I was recording them. So yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna have a little look. How much is what? Loads of money, bro. Not that much. Look at it. Well, I'm gonna go through.